Hello there.
Hi guys, so it is later on in the day right now, and the only reason I'm coming to you today, I wasn't going to vlog, but I'm currently in Pandora, as you can see, and we've managed to get a return time for Flight of Passage, so I figured why not take you guys with me, because this is my first ever Flight of Passage and I'm really looking forward to it. So I've heard a lot of hype about it, and everyone's saying it's as great as what it seems and everything, so my hopes are high. Let's do this. So good? Perfect, thank you. Yay! We did it! Ah! I'm really excited now. Now all this environment here kind of reminds me, I was going to say it reminds me of something, but you've not been yet. It reminds me of the King Kong, Universal.
I watched it right in front of you.
It's kind of like all that set up. I don't know why, because...
We're in Pandora.
But yeah, we're totally in Pandora, but it does remind me of the Kong layout at Universal. Which is cool, because I like that. The ride itself, though, is not great. And I just know this one's going to be so much better than Kong. Ah, oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, all this in the back of the wall is standby, and like, bye standby, sorry, we're gonna just bypass all of this. Ooh, this is kind of cool. You've never seen Avatar? I mean, you don't. I guess you don't really need to see it.
You gotta commit.
Because in all fairness, it was like 10 years ago it came out, or so. So I can't remember like much of the movie, but it just take it as like a new thing. Ooh, oh wow. Are we like straight on? I like this. I'm sure there's going to be some kind of wait, but we'll see. Beautiful. 3, 4. Perfect. Oh wow. That's like all the rest of the lineup. Oh look, they've got all the pipes. I wonder if it's the same as like Dinosaur, where one means ketchup and one means mayonnaise. And...
You're 3 also, right?
3.
Yeah. You're going to be seats 9, 10, 11, right?
10, 11, perfect.
How many do you buy?
Oh my goodness. What?
Prepare pressure door. Systems ready.
So we get here, we get right to the screen. Ooh, this is cool. I'm so excited. It's all blue. All blue.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number. You're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great.
Drying my hair a little bit.
You're all clear.
Great.
Thank you. That's cool. Nope, all the way down.
Gear on the back wall, and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors.
Here we
For
go,
your
guys.
safety, throughout this entire
this looks so
experience,
cool.
remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
This is mine.
Para su
Alright.
seguridad, durante toda
Put these
esta
things over.
experiencia deberán permanecer sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante agarrando las barras y
See you
supervisen
guys
sus
afterwards.
niños. Gracias.
Attention
Oh
drivers.
my
Stow
goodness.
your gear on the back
That is
wall
how you
and
do a
then get
sim
onto the
ride.
wing chair
I
the way
don't
we
care,
showed
that
you
is
in the video.
100%.
Then put on your flight visor.
Oh my goodness, I was just smiling the whole way through. I know, I did actually have... I did actually have tears brought to my eye, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness. Thank you. No, I'm not gonna lie, that actually... I got pins and needles as well. That was perfect. I would happily wait in line for 2 hours for that. I was just grinning the whole way through and... 2 hour line through it, yeah. Oh my goodness. That is like the most perfect sim ride I've ever experienced. I actually thought it was better than some like physical rides.
Oh yeah, 100%.
That was beautiful.
The way you could
That was...
You could feel everything.
Yeah, you can actually feel the avatar breathing underneath you with the... And when it was turning, I mean there was a lot of mist, but it made sense.
But it made sense.
It made
was
sense
so wonderful.
as to why. And you just need to go ride it, it's perfect.
So perfect.
Perfect, that was... I've never raved so much about an attraction after going on it the first time, that was great. Oh my goodness, in the store you can have yourself scanned and turned into a doll. That's so cool. Let's go take a look at this. That is pretty cool. Okay, this is my new favourite area in any park. I'm definitely coming back for this again. As you just saw, this is amazing. I love it. Teary. So, just leaving Pandora, heading through to Africa. We're gonna just wander all the way around the park. We're gonna head to Dino Land USA, head in Dinosaur, because only a 15-minute wait at the minute. And then later on, we have fast passes booked for Expedition Everest. So we're gonna go there, and we was planning to go out for dinner tonight. I don't think that's gonna happen.
I feel like that's getting stomped on now.
Yeah, I mean, after that, it's just like, okay, we're just all hyped up, and yeah, I'm just enjoying it now. It's great. It's casually passing by the Tree of Life. Again, it probably doesn't show in the camera, but it's a really dark sky tonight. It's currently 8:20, but it looks so much brighter on screen. Ready to catch that dino?
There it is. As you can see, it's warm, almost tropical, and teeming with life. Fish fill the seas, and new creatures such as insects, birds, and small mammals are beginning to appear.
Sure, yay! Get to meet Dr. Seeker.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Talking about the pipes, look. Mayonnaise, mustard and ketchup. Here we go. Dinosaur time. All the way to the end. Just got off a dinosaur and it's pretty much already dark. Our fast pass for Everest is in like 15 minutes. I mean, there's probably going to be no one there because everyone's going to be at Rivers of Light waiting for that, which I've still not seen yet either. So I'm going to have to get to see that at some point. But what do you want to do in the meantime? 15 minutes? Maybe we could just wander over there. Or... ooh! We can go on this. We decided to go on Triceratops spin instead because I've never been on it and there's no line, so... Hey! Number 9! Whoop whoop! Now we're heading off to Everest. Look at that. Not the bright light that's in the camera, but the tip of Everest. right there. It's disappearing under the trees. We'll see you in a minute. Look at that. So nice. We're ready for the climb. There he is. Oh, look, we can see the rest of Disney. Beautiful. Rivers of light just going on there. There we go. Woo! Oh no.
Oh no, the track
What happened? Who did such a thing? Who did such a thing? I mean, what were... Let's see if we can spot him on this run. Can we see the Disco Yeti? Here he comes. Oh, he's lit up so well. Woo! So it might be a little bit difficult to see, but it's coming back into Pandora now that it's gone completely dark. And you can't really see it too much. Well, I can't see it on the screen. It might show better once I get it on the computer. But it's luminescent everywhere. The floors are glowing up. We have, I don't even know what this is supposed to be, but we have this over here. And obviously all of the plants and living things are all glowing up as well. Oh, it's so cool. This honestly is my new favourite land in any parks now. I'm sorry, I know we were talking about Toy Story Land the other day and how good it was, but just this. Just look at this. It's so cool. Honestly in love with this place. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. And we just checked on the My Disney Experience app. There's only a 15-minute wait for Navy River Journey, so we're going to head straight for that. Oops, if I can actually hold the camera straight, we're head straight over to Navy River Journey now. Everywhere is just completely lit up. It's so cool. In we go. Okay. Okay, maybe it's 15. I'm not too sure. We'll see. So that is yet another day at Animal Kingdom done and complete. Finally got to Flight of Passage, which I was hoping to do, and finally got completed, so I'm glad about that. But yeah, thanks for watching again guys. If you have got this far once again, please do stay tuned for any more videos, and as always, I'll see you real soon.